What is globalization? Globalization connects the world more closely than ever before. While it brings opportunities like access to goods, service, and knowledge, it can also lead to challenge such as inequality, loss of local culture, or economic dependence. Key characteristics of globalization: economic integration, the expansion of global market, trade liberalization, and the rise of multinational corporations. Culture exchange, the spread of intermingling of culture practices, ideas, and values across borders. Technological advantage, the rapid dissemination of technology and information facilitating global communication and activity. Political collaboration, the formation of international situation and agreement that govern global interaction. Social interactivity, the increased movement of people, idea, and information leading to more interconnected global society. Globalization is the process by which countries, cultures, and economies become more connected and independent. One number, this happens through things like international trade, communication, technology, and movement of people and ideas across borders. In simple terms, globalization means that what happens in one part of the world can quickly affect that parts of. Example, a product designed in the US might be made in China using parts from Germany and then sold in Philippines. Similarly, trends, fashion, music, or food spread from one country to another. Various social, cultural, and sociological process. From national to international and structure, globalization is also seen as the process that focuses on movement of trade, capital, and ideas. Globalization also defined as the increasing independence interconnected places globally. Advantage, disadvantage of globalization in our economy. The impact of globalization on the Philippines economy has brought advantage such as increased trade, goods, labor, migration, leading the economic growth development. However, it also presented challenges such as the potential for inequality and winners and losers among industrial labor market.